Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we're making a Rose and Witch Hazel facial toner, which is inspired by a very popular product that you can buy in stores that's quite popular in skincare circles, but this one's a lot cheaper and really easy to make. So there's really just a few ingredients in this bottle. There's distilled water, there's witch hazel, which is astringent, there's rose hydrosol, which makes it smell amazing, and there's some soothing aloe vera juice. And we have some glycerine as a humectant and some panthenol, which is just generally fantastic. It's soothing and it helps with moisturization and reducing water loss. It's a fantastic ingredient. And then we have a preservative, and that's literally it. This comes together in like a minute or two. You don't have to heat it up or anything. And then you have a gorgeous bottle of your very own DIY'd Rose and Witch Hazel facial toner. So come on, let's get started. So this is wonderfully simple. These are all of our ingredients. We'll combine them in here, and that's it. So first off, we are going to need 26¼ grams of distilled water, 14 grams of aloe vera juice. And this is aloe vera juice that I have reconstituted from a 200 times concentrated powder. That's definitely the way you want to do it. It is way cheaper than buying cosmetic grade aloe vera juice that's already been hydrated. 14 grams of witch hazel, and this is alcohol free. 14 grams of rose hydrosol, and the stuff from Voyageur is just amazing. If you're within Canada, I highly recommend it, and even if you're not within Canada, I would recommend placing a special order just to get this particular rose hydrosol if you are a rose fan. 0.7 grams of vegetable glycerin, 0.7 grams of panthenol, and 0.35 grams of liquid germall plus, and this is our preservative. To blend everything together, I'm going to give it a little buzz with this little mini mixer. A spoon would also work, or a little wire whisk. Once everything has mixed together and you can't see any little crystals of panthenol in there, we are ready to package it. So I've got a 120 milliliters for 4 ounce squeezy bottle here. Pour that in. And then to top it off, since that's not quite enough to fill it, I have another 50 grams of this that I made for the blog post. So we'll just put those in the same container so I'm not using more containers than I need. And there you go. And that is how easy it is to make a Rose Witch Hazel toner. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and do remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to this post on my blog, where you'll find everything written out, including links to all the ingredients that you'll need, information on scaling, substitution, shelf life, and a lot more good stuff. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.